Welcome to our comprehensive guide on post-workout recovery. You know, we talk a lot about pushing your limits, getting after it in the gym and chasing those gains. But what happens after that crazy workout? That's what we're diving into today, man. We're talking about the best strategies to help you recover faster, perform better, and feel amazing. We're going deep on this one, folks. Alright, let's talk about food, man. You're putting in the work, breaking down those muscles, but you gotta feed them so they can rebuild stronger. First up, protein. It's the building block of muscle, right? Without enough protein, your body can't repair the micro tears you create during a workout. We're talking lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, the good stuff. And don't forget about carbs. Yeah, I said carbs. They're your body's primary source of energy. After a workout, you need to replenish those glycogen stores, which fuel your muscles. Sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa, these are your friends. Healthy fats are crucial too. They fight inflammation, which is key for recovery. Think avocados, nuts, olive oil. Good stuff for your brain and your body. And of course, water, man. Water is life. You're sweating, you're losing fluids. Stay hydrated throughout the day, especially after those intense workouts. Now, recovery isn't just about what you eat. Rest is crucial, man. Your body needs time to repair and rebuild. That means getting enough sleep, taking days off from the gym, and listening to your body. Active recovery is huge too. Light activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can increase blood flow, reduce soreness, and speed up recovery. Foam rolling. We've all seen those crazy-looking foam rollers, but they work. They help release muscle tension, improve flexibility, and prevent injuries. Massage is another game changer. Deep tissue massage can work wonders for sore muscles, breaking up knots, and improving circulation. Now, let's talk about some next-level recovery techniques. IASTM and cupping. These are some of my favorite tools for optimizing recovery. IASTM, or Instrument-Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization, uses specialized tools to break up scar tissue and adhesions. It's like a deep tissue massage, but more targeted and effective. Cupping therapy is another ancient technique that's making a comeback. It involves placing cups on the skin, creating suction that draws blood flow to the area, relieves muscle tension, and promotes healing. Now let's talk supplements. Look, I'm a big believer in getting most of your nutrients from whole foods. But there are some key supplements that can give you an extra edge in your recovery. Whey protein is a classic. It's easily absorbed, providing your muscles with those essential amino acids they need to recover. A protein shake after a workout can make a big difference. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, are another great option. They help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, allowing you to get back to training faster. Creatine is another supplement I use regularly. It helps increase muscle mass and strength, and it can also improve recovery by reducing muscle damage. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation. Fish oil, flaxseed oil, chia seeds, these are all great sources. Remember, supplements are meant to a healthy diet and lifestyle, not replace them. Let's talk about muscle soreness, man. That feeling of I worked out hard soreness can be good, but sometimes it can be debilitating. Cold therapy like ice baths or cold showers can help reduce inflammation and numb pain. It might suck at first, but your body will thank you later. Heat therapy, like a heating pad or warm bath, can help relax muscles and increase blood flow. It's especially helpful for stiffness and tightness. Compression gear, like compression socks or sleeves, can help reduce swelling and improve circulation. They're great for recovery and for travel. Listen to your body. If you're really sore, take a break, man. Pushing through pain can lead to injury. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to unlocking your body's full recovery potential. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Take care of your body, listen to its signals, and don't be afraid to explore different recovery techniques. You deserve to feel your best. For a personalized recovery strategy, contact Shalom Physicare Sports Injury and Physiotherapy Clinic. We can help you create a customized plan to optimize your recovery and take your performance to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your fitness journey.